Now next let us learn about the drift velocity. In a conductor, suppose this is a conductor, there are plenty of electrons. These are electrons, free electrons. Now these free electrons move in zigzag paths randomly along these directions. This is random motion due to temperature, because electron get energy from environment surrounding. Here is a temperature, some temperature. So the net flow of electron is zero. Net flow of electron is equal to zero. So there is no current. But when potential difference is applied, suppose this is a conductor, potential difference plus here, minus here, it is applied, then what happens? These electrons move in a certain direction. Electrons move from negative end to positive end with a constant velocity. Depending upon the potential difference and the temperature and nature of material. And this motion is known as drift motion. So what is drift velocity? Under the influence of external electric field, because this potential difference applied is due to the electric field inside the conductor. So the velocity of electron or motion of electron under the influence of external electric field. Now let us try to calculate. So the acceleration of the electron will be force upon mass of electron. Force on electron is minus charge into electric field intensity E, which is applied, upon mass. So if we apply the first law of motion, then V is equal to U plus AT. So final velocity is Vd. Drift velocity, let us call it drift velocity. Initial velocity in this direction was 0 because the net velocity was 0 along this direction. Net velocity was 0. So initial velocity was U is equal to 0. Final velocity Vd we have to calculate. Let the time taken between two collision is tau. Time taken between two collisions. These are the collisions. We are showing here zigzag path. So suppose the electron is here. Here is some positive charge or another electron. So it will move in other direction because of electrostatic attraction or repulsion. Then suppose here is another plus charge or ion or negative charge, then it will move somewhere here, then here. So this is one collision, this is another collision, this is another collision. So this is the time tau taken between two successive collision, time taken between two successive collision tau. This is called relaxation time. So now we apply this equation. So Vd is equal to u is equal to 0 here, and u is equal to 0, and a is the acceleration we have calculated, and tau is the relaxation time. So Vd comes out to be that is u0, and this is a is a plus tau. So Vd is equal to minus E upon m, that is the a and tau. So this is the expression for drift velocity. Now also we know that the potential difference is E upon length of the conductor. Let the length of the conductor from here to here is L. Length of the conductor is L. So V is equal to E upon L. So in terms of potential difference, this is velocity, this is potential difference. So Vd will come out to be E, in place of E there is capital V potential difference, ml tau. This is with minus sign. So the expression for velocity will be here be Vd velocity is minus E potential difference mass of electron L into tau. This is another formula. This is in terms of potential difference, this is in terms of electric field intensity.